Good morning, my dear students. In previous session, we learned inductance calculations. How inductance will be derived from single circuit or single conductor, single phase, three phase double circuit line. So in three phase double circuit line, which are having hexagonal spacing and flat vertical spacing. So one by one, we derive all the inductance calculations. So in the similar manner of inductance calculations, we must derive the capacitance also. So what is the capacitance? Capacitance and capacitor. Capacitor is a physical form. Capacitance is a effect because of conductors. So how the capacitance exists? Any two conductors separated by an insulator, definitely the capacitance effect will be considered. The capacitance effect considered not only in between two conductors, it's also considered conductor to earth also, because earth also a conductor. So calculation of capacitance. So calculation, the capacitance calculation for symmetrical and asymmetrical single and three phases. Next, single and double circuit lines, and also effect of ground on capacitance. While considering the effect of ground, what happens the capacitance value? This is a very important phenomena. While considering the earth into consideration, what happens the capacitance values, we discuss one by one. So capacitance C is equal charge per unit voltage. Charge per unit voltage. So V is nothing but potential difference. So the potential difference, first we finding the potential difference. So what is the potential difference? The potential difference del V is equal to VB minus VA between 2 points A and B in an electric field is defined as the change in potential energy of the system when a test charge is moved between the points divided by the test charges Q 0. So potential difference is nothing but difference between two potential. That is, here we considering points is A and B. Sometimes we consider R1, R2. Sometimes we consider C and D. So any 2 points we considering. So the difference between two potentials del V is equal VB minus VAR, VR2 minus VR1, whatever the we consider 2 points. So the main criteria is the potential difference always opposes the electric field intensity. The potential difference V always opposes the electric field intensity. So what is the electric field intensity? E is equal rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught into R. Rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught into R. So charge. So sometimes we take a charge is Q or rho, whatever it is. The charge is nothing but rho. Sometimes we consider Q. So charge represents Q or rho. So here the very important point is the potential difference V always opposes the electric field intensity. Here we taken as 2 points A and B in a plane, but sometimes we taken as the 2 points is R1, R2. So whatever the 2 points we taken as the potential difference V is equal to del u by q naught is equal to minus integral a to b e dot ds. This is the 2 points in a lane. Potential difference always opposes the electric field intensity. Electric field intensity E is equal to rho L by 2 pi epsilon naught into R. Rho L or Q by 2 pi epsilon naught into R. Q is the charge, 2 pi E naught absolute permittivity radius of conductor. So now we derive the capacitance of a single phase two wire line. Single phase, what is a single phase? Single phase means definitely they have two conductors. Two conductors, conductor A and conductor B. Both are in opposite charges in capacitance calculation. If you go to the inductance calculation, two are in opposite currents. The conductor A is plus I, definitely conductor B is minus I. So if you take the capacitance, if the charge of one conductor is plus Q, definitely the charge of another conductor is minus Q. So the charge, we represent charge Q or rho, whatever it is. So capacitance, consider a single phase overhead transmission line consisting of two parallel conductors A and B spaced d meters apart in the air. Suppose that radius of each conductor is r meters. Let their respective charges be plus q and minus q coulombs per meter length. The total potential difference between conductor A and neutral infinite plane is. So whenever there is a single phase, definitely they having two conductors. Two conductors are opposite charges. Consider the diagram. They having two conductors, conductor A, conductor B. The distance between two conductors D. The distance between two conductors D. The radius of conductor R. This having positive charge, this having negative charge. Conductor A and conductor B. So how can we calculate the potential difference VA? We take first we consider the conductor A. Conductor A having radius R tend to infinity. Infinity. So already we discussed in previous. They having 2 points. Difference between 2 points R to infinity. Q by 2 pi x E naught dx plus similar manner the distance in between two conductors is d tend to infinity minus q by 2 pi x e naught because the conductor B having negative charge. So the capacitance exists in between two conductors. You must consider this point. The capacitance exists in between two conductors. Any two conductors are separated by an insulating medium, then only the capacitance will be exist. But the inductance exists internal flux linkage as well as external flux linkage. The inductance not exist in between conductors. The capacitance exists in between two conductors. So we must consider two conductors. So the limits here the R tend to infinity, D tend to infinity. So what we derive Q by 2 pi E naught log base E infinity by R minus log base E infinity by D. So if you simplify this formula, what you get q by 2 pi e naught log base c d by r volts. So potential difference of point A. Similarly, potential difference between conductor B and neutral infinite plane. So VB is equal limits r tend to infinity. So we consider conductor B having negative charge minus q by 2 pi x e naught into dx plus d tend to infinity. You must consider this conductor also. While calculating the potential different between 2 points. That's how important. Difference between 2 points d tend to infinity q by 2 pi x e naught into dx. You simplify the formula, we get minus q by 2 pi e naught log base e infinite by r minus log base e infinite by d is equal. Simplify the expression minus q by 2 pi e naught log base e d by r. So both these potential are with respect to the same neutral plane. In single phase line we consider one neutral plane, so both these potential are with respect to the same neutral plane. Since the unlike charges, positive and negative charge, one conductor having positive charge, another conductor having negative charge, since the unlike charges attract each other, the potential difference between the conductor is mean the total electric field intensity is equal E positive plus E negative. So what happens, that becomes both are attractive. So VAB becomes 2 times of VA, 2 VA, 2 times of VA. That becomes 2Q by 2 pi epsilon log base E d by R. But what is the capacitance formula? The capacitance formula is charge per unit voltage. Charge per unit voltage. So charge Q, unit voltage VAB, substitute the VAB value. So QQ get cancelled, CAB becomes pi epsilon naught log base E d by R farad per meter. This is the calculation for capacitance of single phase transmission line. So now we go the capacitance to neutral. So capacitance to neutral. So if there is a two conductors, conductor A, conductor B, so the value CAB. Again, I am telling that capacitance exists in between two conductors CAB. So here we calculating the capacitance with respect to neutral plane. Means in between two conductors, if there is a one neutral point, how we calculate the capacitance? Consider one neutral point in between two conductors. In between two conductors, consider the neutral point. So neutral also a capacitor. So neutral also a conductor. Neutral also a conductor. So how the capacitance will be formed? Any two conductors separated by an insulating medium, definitely the capacitance will be exist. So in between two conductors, one neutral plane, must and should exist two capacitance. Conductor A to neutral exist one capacitance. Conductor neutral to conductor B exist another capacitance. If you consider the neutral into consideration, the neutral becomes capacitance CAN becomes 2 times of CAB, because every neutral to conductor A having one capacitance, neutral to conductor B having another capacitance. If you consider only CAB, no problem, one capacitance. But if you consider in between the two conductors, if you exist a neutral point, definitely the formula becomes C neutral, capacitance to neutral is equal to 2 times of CAB. What get the formula? 2 times of CAB, that becomes 2 pi epsilon naught by log base C d by R farad per meter. Capacitance per phase formula we get pi epsilon naught by log base C d by R. But capacitance to neutral consideration, the formula becomes 2 times of CAB, because every conductor to neutral plane one capacitance will be exist. So the capacitance exists in between two conductors. In between two conductors. So another important, every calculation of capacitance you must keep in mind, the potential difference always opposes the electric field intensity. Thank you.